Help.
Did you fall down? Help.
Okay.
Capri's first time in the snow. It is the end of February. What day is it? February 27th or something? She's a year and a half-ish. Say hi! She's having a hard time navigating in the snow. It's hard, huh?
Let's go and see Mama.
Go see Snowman?
Right here. See? See Mama.
Hi, honey.
Just go where it's flatter.
Yeah. Man, it's hot. My legs are burning. That Snowman is your size, Capri. Can you give him a hug? Yeah? Give Snowman a nice hug. Oh, good girl. Kisses? It's cold, huh? He's freezing, Burr. Say cold, Burr. Hi, doggies. Can you run? Don't throw a snowball at her. Oh. All right.